Hello everyone, I am Sunil. I'm living in Japan from Nepal and is the area near which I am living. And today I am going to show you the use of vending machine, which is called 自動販売機 in Japanese. For example, let's search nearby the vending machine, and this is vending machine. This is the vending machine in front of the building which I am living. And actually, if you want to buy anything like that, here is the option for coin and here is the option for cash. And if you have a coin, for example, I have a coin of 100 rupees. For example, let's say you can put here 10 yen, 50 yen, 100 yen and 500 yen. For example, 100 yen. Let's put it right. For example, I want to buy this, then please push the option. This is atatakai, this is hot, and tsumetai, cold. So I want hot. Then let's push. You can check your drink from here at the top. This is all about the vending machine. Okay.